Have you ever felt like your legs no longer listen to you? Every step up the stairs feels like a daunting mountain to climb alone today. Does the fear of falling haunt your every move? These moments of weakness are more than just aging, they are a sign of muscle health decline. Muscle atrophy and leg tremors are silent thieves of independence. They steal your confidence and make the simplest paths feel incredibly dangerous and very difficult. You watch the world move quickly outside while you feel trapped by your own body. That sense of regret and longing is deeply felt by many. But please know that you are not alone in this journey. Millions of people face these same challenges every day as they navigate their golden years. Today we are going to change that narrative together. I am here to help you rediscover the strength that still lives within your tired legs. We will explore practical solutions to push back against muscle loss. It is time to wake up your body and regain your steady, confident walking stride. Your journey to mobility starts with understanding the enemy. Let us look at why your muscles have weakened and how we can actually rebuild them. Every small effort counts toward a larger victory for your health. Stay with me as we break down the science of leg strength and recovery. Believe in the power of your own resilience starting right now. We are building a foundation for a future where you can walk with pride. To fix the problem, we must first understand what is happening inside. Healthy muscles are dense, strong, and ready to support your entire body weight. After the age of 50, we can lose up to 2% of our muscle mass every single year if we do not stay active. This condition is known as sarcopenia, the medical term for muscle wasting. It is the primary reason why your legs feel so heavy and weak. When muscles weaken, your nervous system has to work much harder. This overload often leads to the involuntary shaking and tremors you often experience daily. Without muscle support, your joints take the full impact of every step. This leads to pain, inflammation, and an even greater fear of moving around. The connection between your brain and your legs must be kept strong. If the signal is weak, your balance becomes unstable and very highly unpredictable. The wonderful news is that muscle tissue is incredibly resilient and adaptive. It is never too late to start the process of rebuilding and strengthening. By understanding sarcopenia, we can target it with the right tools. We are going to use specific exercises to wake up those dormant muscle fibers. Resistance and movement act as a wake-up call for your cells. They signal your body to start producing more protein to repair and grow. We want to move from that shaky, uncertain feeling to a steady foundation. Stability is the goal, and it is completely achievable through consistent daily practice. Let us begin with our first phase of recovery today. All you need is a sturdy chair and a few minutes of your precious time. This first exercise is designed to be very safe and effective. It focuses on the largest muscle group in your legs without any joint stress. This is the seated leg extension, a powerful move for your thighs. It targets the quadriceps, which are vital for walking and standing up straight. Notice how the muscle tightens as the leg reaches its peak. You don't need heavy weights to feel the work being done in your legs. Keep your back straight and your core slightly engaged for stability. Control is more important than height when you are performing this specific leg movement. Flex your toes back toward your body to feel a stretch. This simple addition helps improve circulation and nerve response down to your very toes. Now it is your turn to try this at home. Take a deep breath, lift your leg slowly, and feel the power returning to you. It is okay if you shake a little bit at first. That is just your muscles waking up and learning how to work effectively once again. Coordinate your breathing with each movement to stay relaxed and focused. Inhale as you lower, and exhale as you lift that leg back up. Consistency is the key to seeing real change in your body. Aim for 10 repetitions on each side to properly stimulate those leg muscles today. There it is. That spark of progress is exactly what we want. You are proving to yourself that your body is still capable of growth. Rest for a moment before we move on to the next step. Recovery between sets is just as important as the exercise itself for seniors. Take a sip of water and let your muscles recover briefly. We are building strength slowly and safely to ensure long-term success and health. Now that we have activated the thighs, let us focus on balance. A strong base is the foundation for every step you take in life. Our next exercise is the assisted chair squat for lower body power. This is the ultimate movement for maintaining your independence at home every day. Imagine you are about to sit down, then stop just before. This builds incredible functional strength in your hips, glutes, and your entire lower body. Push through your heels as you stand back up slowly. This engagement ensures that your joints stay protected while your muscles do all the work. Safety is always our number one priority during these training sessions. Use a second chair or a sturdy table if you feel at all unstable. Good form is much more important than how low you go. Focus on keeping your knees steady and your movements smooth and very well controlled. You are rebuilding the power needed to get up from chairs. This simple movement translates directly into easier daily living and much more freedom. Every repetition is a vote for your future health and mobility. Keep going. You are doing a fantastic job of reclaiming your physical strength. Now, let us target the lower legs with some calf raises. This specific exercise is excellent for reducing tremors and improving your walking balance. Lift your heels as high as you comfortably can today. Feel the stretch and the strength building in the back of your lower legs. If you feel any shaking, just hold the top position briefly. This trains your nervous system to stay calm and steady under light pressure. Ankle stability is crucial for navigating uneven ground or plush carpets. We are strengthening the very foundation of your entire upright body today. You can feel the blood flowing and the muscles warming up now. This increased circulation is vital for healing and maintaining healthy leg tissue. Take a moment to feel the ground beneath your feet again. Do you feel a bit more connected and stable than you did before? These exercises only take 10 minutes but offer a lifetime of benefits. Making them a habit is the best gift you can give yourself. You are halfway through our routine, and you are doing great. Let us move to the final and most practical part of training. It is time to face the stairs with a new perspective. We will practice step-ups to build the confidence you need for any staircase. Place your entire foot on the step to ensure full support. Never leave your heel hanging off the edge, as this can cause instability. Step up with strength and step down with extreme care. This controlled descent is actually where your muscles grow the strongest and most resilient. Use the railing for support as much as you need to. The goal is to build movement patterns that feel safe and eventually become automatic. Can you feel the difference when you move with intention? You are teaching your body that stairs are no longer something to be feared. Repetition builds the bridge between hesitation and total confidence today. Each step you take is a victory over the limitations of your past. Our final exercise is the single leg balance for ultimate stability. This move tells your brain exactly how to keep you upright and safe. Those tiny wobbles in your foot are actually your brain learning. It is fine-tuning your balance centers to prevent any future trips or falls. Try to hold this for 10 to 20 seconds each. It is a simple challenge that pays huge dividends in your daily walking safety. You have successfully completed the physical portion of our program today. Your legs are awake, and your spirit is rising with new hope. But exercise is only half of the equation for muscle health. We must also talk about the fuel that makes this growth possible. Think of exercise as the spark and nutrition as the fuel. Without enough protein, Your muscles cannot repair the tiny fibers we just worked. Whether it is lean meat, eggs, or plant-based beans, aim for protein. It provides the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle. Calcium and vitamin D are the best friends of your bones. Strong bones provide the scaffolding that your new muscles will pull against daily. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated or very expensive. Small changes, like adding an egg to breakfast, can make a huge difference over time. Hydration is also key to keeping your muscles supple and healthy. Water helps transport nutrients exactly where they are needed most after your workout. Start your day with a meal that supports your goals. A fueled body is a body that is ready to move and grow stronger. Combine these nutritional habits with your daily 10-minute exercise routine. This powerful combination is the secret to lasting mobility and youthful leg strength. Notice how much easier the little things become with better health. Walking to the kitchen or garden should be a joy, not a chore. The shaking is subsiding because your body is becoming much more efficient. You are reclaiming control over your movements and your daily life activities. Look at the transformation that is possible with just a little effort. You are no longer watching the world go by from your window. You can now keep up with the people you love the most. Your legs are carrying you toward precious memories and new adventures every day. Age is truly just a number when you have a strong body. You have proven that it is never too late to start over. Thank you for joining us on this journey to stronger legs today. We believe in your potential to live a very active and healthy life. Keep moving, keep eating well, and keep believing in your own strength. Your best days are still ahead of you, so keep walking forward. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a vibrant life. Together, we can make every step a firm and confident one today.